Have you ever looked at a freshly painted home or business and thought, wow, that looks brand new? Painting isn't just about splashing color on walls. It's about precision, preparation, and knowing the right techniques to bring a space to life. Whether it's a cozy living room or a massive commercial property, being a great painter requires attention to detail, choosing the right tools, and understanding how paint colors transform any space. I always say that patience is required to keep consistent quality. In today's video, I'm going to begin the painting process of this residential property. Remember yesterday I started power washing? I'm going to make this client's home stand out and shine, bit by bit. Let's get started. Where is it? A whole 5-gallon bucket of paint just vanished? It's impossible. It's like it disappeared into thin air. Someone's messing with me. Oh, found it. My bad. It isn't lost. It's just playing hide and seek and winning. All right, I'm about to slap on some Sisson's Weather Guard paint in aged paper. Fancy name, right? The perfect shade if you want your walls to look like an old love letter from the Princess of England, or a scroll the head pope used to canonize one of his colleagues. Speaking of popes, fun fact, John Paul II visited Trinidad in 1985, got mad love here, and was canonized in 2014. But not locally, cause, well, that's impossible. Anyway, back to the paint. Let's go. Boy, the weather today really playing games. 1 minute sunshine, next thing rain pouring down again. So while it was raining, I decided to take a lil break and grab some lunch. A nice, hot chicken roti. Hit the spot. You know, I like doing projects that I actually enjoy because it doesn't feel stressful. It's like getting paid to do what you love. Now that I'm full and satisfied, it stopped raining now, so it's back to painting. That's it for day 2 of this restoration project. Let me know in the comments section how I'm doing. Constructive criticism isn't a bad thing. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss out in day 3.